Hello, pretty people! Welcome back to Indie Swad. Today we have come up with a very special traditional Indian sweet loved by most of us. By now, you must have guessed what it is, right? Yes, we are going to make the very popular balushahi or badshah. To make these, first take 250 grams of maida, half teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda each, and 1 by 4 teaspoon of salt. Dry mix the all-purpose flour with these ingredients. Then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter or oil and mix the flour evenly. Mix it with the hand so that the flour absorbs the ghee properly. If the flour fails to bind as shown in the video, then you can add some more ghee and mix it. Now add 75 grams of fresh curd. Now start kneading the maida into a dough. As you knead the dough, add a little amount of water so as to avoid drying up and maintain some moisture in the dough. Once you are done with the dough, cover it and let it rest for 20 to 30 minutes. Meanwhile, in a saucepan, take 250 grams of sugar and add 200 ml of water to it. Turn on the stove and start stirring the mixture to make a sugar syrup. Keep stirring continuously on low to medium flame till all the sugar melts. Bring it to boil. Heat and stir on a low flame till you attain a string-like consistency of the syrup. Then turn off the stove and squeeze a few drops of lemon. The lemon drops will prevent it from getting further thickened when it cools. Now uncover the dough. Knead it slightly once again. Do not knead it too rigorously. Now take small portions of the dough and start rolling them between the palms. After rolling, give it a disc-like shape as shown in the video. While making these, do not smoothen up the surface of these badushas. The folds and creases that remain in the dough will help retain the sugar syrup once they are dipped in it. In this way, make the badushas with the entire dough. Here our badushas are ready to go into the oil. You can see that their surface is not very smooth. They have some folds and cracks as well. In a pan, take sufficient cooking oil to deep fry these badushas. Heat this oil on a medium flame. When the oil is hot enough, start placing the badshah in the oil one by one in different batches. In the oil, they start giving out a subtle fragrance. Keep tossing and turning them in the oil. Deep fry until they turn golden brown on all sides. There are certain things that you need to keep in mind while making these badushas. The first thing is that the measurement of the ingredients is very important. If you mess up the measurements, there are chances that your badshah may become hard. Second thing is, do not add too much oil or butter while making the dough, because if you do so, when you drop these badushas in the oil, they may crumble. And how you knead the dough is also important. Do not knead it for too long, knead it only until it gets a little soft. Our badushas seem to be almost done. While taking these out of the oil, lean them on the edge of the pan for a few seconds so as to get rid of the oil, and then place these hot badushas in the sugar syrup. After placing them in the sugar syrup, you can leave it to soak for about 8 to 10 minutes. If you want it to be sweeter, then you can soak it for longer. And our juicy badushas are ready to be served. Before having them, you can also sprinkle some dry fruits like almonds or pistachios. If you are making these in bulk, Do not store for too long. You can store them for about 2 to 3 days. So that's all for today. Hope you liked today's recipe. Do subscribe to Indie Swad. See you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.